Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax at home or go out with friends.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you read books often?
Yes, I try to read a book every month.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway to work.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym twice a week.
What's your favorite season?
I love the spring season.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV shows in the evening.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs for breakfast.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
I usually relax by watching TV or reading a book.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How often do you call your family?
I call my family every day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you eat out often?
No, I usually cook at home.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by taking a warm bath and listening to music.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food.
How often do you go to the movies?
I go to the movies once a month.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating well and exercising regularly.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you like spending time outdoors?
Yes, I enjoy hiking and walking in the park.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
How often do you visit your friends?
I visit my friends every weekend.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media every day.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach.
What do you do on your days off?
I like to relax and catch up on sleep.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every weekend.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner to keep track of my tasks.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is popcorn.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, I like to read a few pages before I sleep.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook at home almost every day.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually exercise, shower, and have breakfast.
What time do you leave home in the morning?
I usually leave home at 8 a.m.
Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.